Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Monica, and in today's video I am going to be taking all of my patriotic or 4th of July decor down, and I'm just going to transition into a neutral look for now. I will probably keep my family room and kitchen and the rest of my home very neutral until I start decorating for fall. But in today's video, I am going to focus on the family room and on the kitchen. I hope today's video gives you a ton of decorating ideas or just inspires you to decorate. I'm also going to show you a little bit of a sneak peek on another video that I am working on. I recently purchased a few items from the thrift store and I did paint those, so I'm going to kind of give you a sneak peek of that. I will also show you how I painted those items in a separate video. Okay, so now that I have all of my patriotic decor put away, I'm just going to give my mantle and my hutch a really quick clean. I'm using just an all-purpose cleaner today. This one is a rose scented Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner. And then this is the mirror that I found at the thrift store a couple weeks ago. It was only $2.99 and I just gave it a fresh coat of paint. I did order some really pretty shabby chic looking wood appliques to go right up there at the top. They haven't came in yet, so I'm just going to put this up on my mantle as it is right now, but when those do come in, I am going to place those on the mirror. If you are visiting my channel for the very first time today, I want to take a really quick second and just say thank you. I truly appreciate that you are taking the time out of your day to watch one of my videos, and I really truly hope that my video today, and if you continue to watch some of my other videos, I really truly hope that they do inspire you or give you a few decorating ideas. I would love it if you hit that red subscribe button. I do upload weekly videos. I also do some cleaning videos as well and a few DIYs. But I would love to have you, if you are new, just say hello down in the comments below. I wanted to keep things very simple for this mantle decor, and I love this look with the stacked teacups, and I really debated on what I should add into these little bird cages. I thought maybe some greenery or some florals, and then I thought, you know what, I think a stacked teacup look would look really cute and it would add to that French country look. And I felt like I already had the florals and the greenery in this little planter box just in front of the mirror, and I love the way this looks. It looks so pretty, and I can also display my pretty teacups that I normally have put away.
Sweep away, there'll be another day tomorrow. I keep repeating the same mistakes. I did them all before, in every shape. There's a million ways to mess things up, and I need some time to figure out what to say and make our troubles disappear. Oh, tomorrow's near. It's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight tomorrow. Let all our worries fade, let them sweep away. There'll be another day tomorrow.
Now I'm just going to straighten up the sofa here. I did make this slip cover and it kind of gets a little displaced as people sit on it. So I'm just going to straighten this up really quickly, and then I'm going to add some big fluffy cream colored pillows. And then I also have a long pillow that I did purchase the insert a while back, and then I did make the pillow cover, and I found some really pretty French style ticking fabric, and that's what I used to make the pillow cover.
It's gonna be okay, No matter come what may, I'm gonna set things straight. Tomorrow, let our worries fade. Let them sweep away. There'll be another day. Tomorrow, it's gonna be okay.
So moving on over to this little area that I have, and I love decorating this ottoman, and lately I have been just using the same mirror as a tray and then just switching out the decor. I had some summer decor over here, and then I did have some patriotic decor over here as well, and I can't wait to decorate it for fall and Christmas as well. But for now, I'm going to keep it very simple and add a lot of neutral colors over here. I found the wooden riser and the cloche both at Home Goods. And then I'm just going to add some battery operated candles in here to add some extra light, and then a little bit of greenery. And I found that copper mug at the same thrift store that I purchased that mirror from, and I do believe it was maybe $4.99, $3.99 or $4.99, I can't remember, but I do remember getting a really good deal on both of those items.
The kind of feeling where you simply freeze. Don't you worry, let me throw you up, 'cause I think I know where you always stuck. You give everything so easily, but there are things you don't let people see. Open up and hammer down the wall, and all the fighting, and just let it fall. My love is real, and it's not just for the season. Here's what I feel, I don't need a better reason. You broke your heart.
So now that I have my family room all finished and the way that I love it, I'm moving on to this hutch over here. And if you've seen any of my videos before, you know how much I enjoy decorating this little area over here. I was going to keep that basket up top, but I really wanted to bring a lot of change over here. I have kept that basket up there for a few of my videos because I do love it very much, but I wanted to give this a completely different look, and I just kind of moved stuff around. For today's video, I did not purchase anything new for today's video. I shopped my house and I had so much fun doing that. You don't have to go out and buy a ton of new decor items when you want to switch things up. Honestly, just shop your house first. I'm sure that you can find different ways to use the items that you already have. Just switch things out of vases or baskets and move things around, and you'd be surprised at how much of a different look you can get just by moving things around.
It's not just for the season. Here's what I feel, I don't need a better reason. You broke your heart, come use mine. My love will last, it'll stand the test of time.
So I'm just dusting my hutch over here and the corner shelf really quickly before I start decorating. I'm using the same Mrs. Meyer's cleaner to do that. And then I'm going to decorate my corner shelf first. I'm just adding some china and some really pretty plates, and then I'm also going to add a little bit of greenery and florals over here. And I love how this turned out. I wanted to add plates at the very bottom and then just kind of stack those with some prettier saucers, like mismatched china saucers with different really pretty floral colors in there. And I just really love how this turned out. It stayed very simple and neutral, and I just think it looks so pretty. I really wanted to do something different over here for the top of this hutch area, so I thought I would add a lot of height over here with some greenery, some florals, and some lanterns. And for now, I have these lanterns empty, but I do plan on adding some battery operated candles in here. I think that would look really pretty. And then I'm just going to add this wooden bowl. I normally use that for fruit in my kitchen, but I thought I would flip it over and use it as a riser today. And I'm going to add this really pretty vase and some greenery and some florals. And I did find the vase at a thrift store a really long time ago, and then The wooden bowl I found at HomeGoods, and I'm not sure if I said it already, but I did find those lanterns at Hobby Lobby a few years back. I really love how this turned out. I loved that just adding the baskets in that open shelving area looks so simple and pretty without it looking too overwhelmingly cluttered or anything like that. And I am so happy with how this hutch area and this corner shelf turned out.
Underwater, so far out at sea. There's no cure for what you're telling me, and soon I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way.
Okay, now we're going to move on into the kitchen, and I do have a table runner in there that I forgot to put away. That was out for my 4th of July decor. I'm going to put that away and then really declutter in here. As you can see, I have a lot of decor out here on my island area. I wasn't sure what I was going to use any of these items for, but I'm going to use some of them in the kitchen, and then I'm going to put the rest away. I'm also going to put a few items away that I normally do have out. I love switching things around and just kind of giving things a little bit of a different look. I do get bored with my decor extremely quickly, so switching things out, moving things around, it always just gives a little bit of a different look without having to go out and buy a ton of stuff, because that can get overwhelming too. And you really honestly do not need to go out and buy a ton of stuff when you want a different look. Like I said earlier in the video, just move your stuff around, maybe put things away and declutter for a while and give your countertops some free space. You would really be surprised at how much of a change and a fresh look that you will have. Okay, so over here I'm using my little wax warmer to just kind of add some light over here underneath my cabinet. And then I just stacked a cutting board with a mirror. I love using mirrors as trays. I think they look so pretty, and I love how they reflect the light as well. And then I was trying really hard to figure out how I can hide this cord, because I can't stand the look of cords when you can see them out on the countertop like that. So I decided to just kind of throw a simple white vase in front of this cord over here, and it kind of did the job. I thought about adding maybe some greenery or something in that vase to really hide more of that cord, but I just thought I would keep it as is for now.
Over here, lower them stairs. I've got all the tools after years with the blues. Oh, you know about them highs and lows. An angel is what I need.
I really wanted to continue that look with the baskets as I showed you over on my hutch, so I switched out the bread box, and I'm going to use this little basket for my bread box for now. And you can find really good deals on super cute baskets of all sizes and shapes and all that stuff at HomeGoods. I have found that HomeGoods has the best selection of baskets. Another similar store to look for baskets is Marshalls, and sometimes you can find really cute baskets at Ross as well for a very, very, very inexpensive price.
An angel is what I need to bring me up to full speed. Your shades of blue holds feather wings and harps made out of golden strings. I get anything, anything. An angel is what I need.
Well, that is it for today's video. I hope this video inspired you to decorate and gave you a ton of ideas as well. I hope that you guys have all had a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here for the next video. make sure that you hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already. Make sure that you leave me a thumbs up if you did enjoy today's video. And I hope you guys all have an amazing day. I will see you at the next one. Bye.